This is Andy with QualityStocks. Today is Wednesday, January 19th, 2011, and today we're going to take a look at APRI Biosciences. This is a NASDAQ Global Market stock trading our ticker APRI. Great climb here to end the year, down around $1.50, $1.60. Nice run up to over $4, making higher lows. This is going on breakout. Watch to see if it can take out this top and put together a stronger move. As always, great trend back towards zero. Since this little consolidation through here where it is making higher lows, you see it, the MACD has reset itself. We just now got a bullish cross. That's a very positive sign, and right now we're going to look for this to continue that cross and start to trend back north. Same way with the PPO. Slightest uptrend to the histogram. Looking like this could try and go bullish at this point. ADX got up relatively high, over 50. It too is in a position to try and make a move to the north side. There's what we talk about. Bullish. Indicators holding over the upper half. The MFI is holding basically over 50, getting ready to pop through 80 again. This is where if it can take that resistance out in the candles, this will go into full-blown momentum mode, and we'll be looking for volume to spike up on this and really push these through 80. Accumulation distribution has been in a downtrend, and we're going to look for that trend line to get broken. You see now it looks like it's trying to make a higher low and start to move its way back to the north side, something to keep an eye on. Again, buying pressure will push it through that, and that's what we're looking for. Shaking money flow, even with the rise, has basically stayed relatively low. We want to see if this can push up into the green. Nice uptrend back towards zero at this point. We want to see this get above zero and start to put together a green look to this shaking money flow. Let buying pressure really overcome selling pressure. CCI, again, there's your buy point, that breakthrough 100. But again, there's the importance of holding over zero. Chart stays bullish. Full stow, same look. Primarily over 50, reset itself. Good momentum coming into the stock, breaking back through 50. Ideally, want to see this push through 80 and show some very strong momentum. Trix also reset itself. Looks like it's heading towards a bullish cross. Holding the uptrend that we always reference and holding over zero. That's what you want to see in a chart trying to make a bigger move. Not to beat the same drum, but there you go. Holding over 50. Chart staying bullish. About ready to enter into what momentum traders call the power zone. You want to see that 14 and 21 pop their way up over 70. Again, just a great move to end the year, start the new year out. Uptrending, creating new higher lows. This thing lives and dies by trying to push its way through this upper end of resistance. See, volume picked up yesterday as it made a little move, touched 448. We're looking for this to hold above 434. The more volume you can get, the more buying pressure you can get, the more momentum that can come behind this. The more reliable that is, this is going to continue to try and make a stronger move, hold over these levels, and then continue to try and push north. So you want to see volume and buying pressure to blow through the resistance, and then any sort of pullback later on that you want to see that hold as support. And from a classic TA standpoint, just a very nice look to it if that can happen. You see the Bollinger Bands got tight. All the movement averages are now tucked in underneath it. It's a bullish look. Trade to the upper side of the Bollinger Bands, which are starting to gap again. Trading over top of the 50 and 200-day moving averages. This has a great chance of trying to make the move. If it wants to slip back down, you could throw some support levels in there. Really, I'd like to see it hold $4 because that was a little bit of a resistance level right through here, and it has finally pushed through that. So if it wants to slip back, you could put it somewhere around 375 or right around that area. That picks up a little bit of PPS support, trend line support. But I'm looking at this for breakout watch at this point, and that means not pulling back, pushing forward, taking out this resistance. Chart set up to allow it to happen. Now it's just a matter if it will or not. I'm going to keep this on watch today and see how it performs. As always, it's merely my interpretation of the APRI Biosciences chart. This is Andy with QualityStocks. Thank you for watching and trade smart.